install this sway bar. It's got a little brace. Sway bar box has, I believe, the end links and the hardware for it. Right here, if the box would open. Oh yeah, new hardware. New hardware, end links. Cool. Should be everything we need. So let's go get to the install. Looks like you're gonna have to remove this bolt and then the shock bolt, which would be down there, or actually I don't know if you guys can see it past my jack over here. You're gonna have to remove this bolt here and then go ahead and remove this one here as well. Due to me not gonna get the car up much higher because I'm on a really bad incline, I'm gonna go ahead and try to just work this side for now. But my bolts are a 14mm. I'm going to back these out. One. Let me go ahead and break the bolt down here now. Get that one backed out. Don't ever try to break any bolts with the torque wrench. just the FYI, it doesn't end up well for your torque wrench. Oh, okay, that wasn't tight. I should be able to pull it out. Oh, nope. Too much compression. That's out. Oh, okay. With that out means this can come down. I'm about to tap that down. Shit. Hold on. Let's see if the hand will do it. Oh, it's not coming down. Pry bar, screwdriver, something may work. I'm gonna go get the second side out as well. Down over here. I'm gonna get that side out. Okay, that side's out. What exactly am I doing? I'm not even sure. The sway bar didn't come with instructions because I'm cheap. So let's find out. This car isn't moved and these bushings are already torn. These control arms, don't get them. I don't know if you guys can see that. You probably can't see it at all, but it's torn right here already. This car has only moved from one parking space to another. Bushing already destroyed. Let me try to get the control arm in real quick. Does that help? Oh god. So it's the weight of the full tire. Oh, this is gonna absolutely suck. Come on. All my tools are inside because I cleaned the Honda out. Okay, so I got the control arm back up in place somewhat. I'm about to go and do the other side so I can get the coilover back on. But this bottom hole here, I'm gonna go ahead and put this bolt in now, and then it looks like these two bolts are the ones that are gonna be used for the sway bar to mount up to. I would advise doing this with a partner or something to help you keep it up. But oh, we may need way longer bolts. Oh no. Yeah, this one's not going to work. Your stock bolts will not work anymore. Okay. That could be why they gave us bolts. Maybe these are longer. Let's go and roll out. Release the Kraken! What? Oh. Yeah, these are longer. Okay. Oh, these are way longer. Oh, yeah. Okay, hold on. Just, I guess, quick comparison. These are way longer. Yep. Yep. So, comparison time. Bolt I was supplied, stock bolt size. You guys can see there's actually a hell of a difference in length. Gonna go with this bolt. That bolt pulled out. These bolts work better because they have a tip to help guide you into the bolt on the rear, or I guess the nut on the rear. So these are better. Unfortunately, they give you flat ones like this. Oh, this sucks already. In case y'all are curious, I'm gonna have to undo the bolt in the inside of the tire, where the hub actually mounts. So, bolt down there. I'm gonna undo that one. That way I can actually wiggle this control arm around. Be right back with y'all. I guess we'll just get the arm in first. We can wiggle it till it gets through all the way, right? Of course we can. Please tell me this is long enough. See if it goes in. Don't think that's going in at all. I'm starting to think this is impossible because they may have given me bolts that were too short.
5 minutes later.
Oh. Shit. I put the whole thing on backwards. Damn it. It's gonna come off again.
3 days later.
Oh, y'all missed that half of it. It was a struggle, I'm not gonna lie. Alright.
That shit thin as shit.
Yup. I poked through like that. Yeah. What bolt did I say we were using?
I don't know. It should be on the yall.
Nope.
I don't know. It's a big one.
Oh, wait. I gave you one already, right? Yeah, I gave you one of these.
Yeah, right there. What you got that's gonna hold it? That bar?
Yeah, it's got more thread on it than the other one does. Way more thread. So, we drill. Unless you got a hole there already, but I don't.
I don't know. Look in there. I think it is. Come on. That ain't.
You got shit there. Am I getting through it at all? Or am I just scraping up the fucking thing?
I think you straight it. I don't know if you're gonna do it.
You can't see anything?
No.
Alright, well fuck it. I'll bust the camera out.
Huh?
I'm gonna bust the camera out real quick, man.
There we go.
What's this?
That shit go straight through.
Yup. Smack the fucking bar. That's cool with me.
So that go into that silver thing.
Yeah, the hole I just drilled, we're gonna take those bolts and just pop them in down here.
Alright, let me see how you do your side first, so I can know what I'm doing on this side.
You gotta lift the fucking bar up.
I'm looking up what you want to do. Saying.
Oh shit. I want you.
Alright, here I come. Here I come. Shit, give me a second.
What I was talking about, take this one, put this through, put this bracket up there, and get it started. And then we'll take another bolt in the top and just line it up. This is under the sway bar, so let me just get my.
So how the hell you gonna do it with that get on top of it?
So that's the thing I was talking about. We tighten this down once we get. Oh fuck me. So what I'm talking about is once we get that top one.
My finger, fuck. Wait, I'm listening.
Yeah, so once we get that top one in, we'll go ahead and tighten this one down all the way. That way we know that top one's aligned, right? And then we'll just take that top one out and then put the sway bar on, and then we gotta put a nut behind this lower hole we just made. Ready? Oh shit, I took my bolts out. Look at this. Let me skip to the hole somewhere. Alright.
My top one in there.
Wait. Same size? Mine's a little big. That'll be the top
This
one.
would be your ass. Probably go hot in the car.
Alright, so I'm just gonna take the bracket, make it look like this, that flat on the inside, and then just thread that bottom one in for now, and then we can fuck with the top one after we get the bottom one in at least.
You got.
I don't know what size it is though. I done lost the nut, bro.
You lost a nut. I got one of them. That's it. Oh, that was way too small. Oh. Yeah, I don't know that.
Fit on the back of this. Actually, I'm pretty sure these don't fit. Pretty sure these don't fit. No, this goes over. I gotta use a nut from inside the house. Oh, fuck me. It's just stuck.
Put your hand in there, pop it.
Got it. Damn. That should
I mean, at least it's on there.
swaybar on there now. It's gonna make it a real tight shot for that exhaust though.
Fuck it. We're gonna have really, bro, I feel like we're gonna have to really fabricate that bitch.
I'm about to, yeah, I'm about to
Yeah,
cut
so-
it and bend it.
And I want, you already know I want to do the Audi. The fat ass 3-inch, just all the way back. Just one single. Boom.
That's all you want to hear. Spool.
I
Bow!
think you would hear more spool than any goddamn thing.
Bullshit. Let that bitch pop. Pop. Wait. What the fuck is this?
Motherfucker.
Yo, what?
What the fuck did this connect to?
What?
And then what that connect to?
Both those. So the swaybar, you know, so it's gonna sit something like this.
Right.
You just gotta turn the thing and get the bolted.
And you're gonna hold on to this?
Yeah, you bolt it into that.
Oh shit.
That's how swaybars work. They go into your control arm.
So, went to the hardware store because the hardware they supplied me with absolutely sucked and did not thread into the lower control arm I had. So, went out, Home Depot. Oh, no, come back. Excuse me, guys, it's windy outside. But I went out, found a bolt that was about the perfect length. This threads right into that stock lower control arm. And the sizing I got was... no. Here's my pile of bolts here. No. It's also not that one. Oh. Guys, I'm scared. I lost it. Okay, here it is. So this is the part I got. It's the M10 by 1.5 by 60 millimeter. And it works out perfectly here. Like, I don't know if I can get that any better. The top one, you probably want to get one that's probably, I don't know. This is 60. You probably want one that's by like 45. Because on the top bolt, you're not going to have this fat washer here. You'll only have two of these small ones. I'm going to get this installed real quick. Show you guys.
The little setup is going to go into one of those holes, and I think I'm going to use the middle one. So this little setup will go down there. Let's go ahead and see if we can get it threaded in somehow, some way, magically.